clean your mattress, sofa, and car seat yourself, and the best part, practically dry and spending almost nothing right there in your home. So, to start, I'm going to use a container, okay? I use this cut bottle a lot for these cleaning things, and I'm going to add 4 cups of water here. And then I'm going to add detergent. I use a lot of this coconut one because I looked on the internet. It seems like it's better for reaching these fabrics. But if you don't have it, another one can be used too, okay? I'll add half a cup here, or 150 milliliters. Add it to our mixture as well. Now we're going to use alcohol, okay? I'm using 70% alcohol, but it can be any type of alcohol, including 46% alcohol too. And then I'll use the same amount, half a cup, or 150 milliliters. Alcohol is quite important for this dry mixture. Any dry cleaning you do has to have alcohol because alcohol helps it evaporate faster and become drier, right? So I'll also add the same amount of half a cup here, or 150 milliliters. Finally, we're going to add hydrogen peroxide. This is what will make our mixture even stronger. I'm using the 30 volume one, but if you want, you can use the 40 volume one too, okay? Both of them work just fine. I think the 40 volume one is even more interesting because it's stronger. But just like me, if you don't have it, you can use the 30 volume one. It works the same way. And now let's mix it very well to incorporate all the ingredients for our dry cleaning. Then you'll see the dirt from the sofa, the dirt from the mattress. It comes off like magic. You'll see it in the end, so stay tuned. In a spray bottle, we'll take our mixture and spray it inside to make our application easier. You'll see that this is very good for sofas, mattresses, chair upholstery too. It cleans this dry mixture very well. Now let's cover it here. Let's take a cloth too, and I'll show you now how the dirt comes off like magic. Come here. Let's apply our dry cleaning product on the sofa. Spread it well. This will evaporate very quickly. You can apply it without fear because alcohol has this function. And now let's make this downward motion. See? If you have a brush, if you want to brush it a little too, to reach that deeper dirt, you can do that. It helps the same way, okay? So let's remove all the dirt here, and look folks, I'll show you how this cloth looks. You'll see that the dirt really comes off a lot. Look at this folks. The sofa dirt comes off all on the cloth. Now I'll go to my mattress to show you what happens. Here on the mattress, it's the same thing. I got a white cloth this time so you can see the result better. The yellow cloth didn't show the sofa as much, but look at the mattress. Apply the product here. I'll only apply it on this part here, look. Just to show you how it works. And we rub it. And look at how much dirt comes off. Comparing it with the clean side, you can see on the camera, it's clear. There's a lot of dirt. So do it in your homes. I'm sure you'll love the end result. It'll make your sofa and your bed much cleaner, okay? No bacteria, no mites, nothing.